Welcome back to Seattle Refined. I'm Gert Swanson. Well, as the weather starts to warm up, you can expect more people sprucing up their home exterior. And if you have a blanket of moss on your roof, you know it can be an eyesore and a big pain for your pocketbook. Luckily, you can leave it all to our friends at Johnny Tsunami.
They are the masters of removal when it comes to gunk your home attracts. Whether it's walkways that need a power wash, dirty siding that needs serious attention, windows that need to be cleaned, and roofs with a ton of moss, Johnny Tsunami can do it all.
So Max, I have to show you this roof right here. I mean, it's jaw-dropping. Look how nasty this looks.
Yeah, there is quite a bit of moss up there for sure.
Now, is this something you guys can tackle? I mean, this is a big job right here.
Yeah, no, this is definitely something that we can tackle, and we do see it quite often when your roofs, aren't really taken care of for just enough time, because you live in Washington, big trees like this right on here, it starts pounding a lot of debris up on there.
Johnny Tsunami knows the moss game. They immediately started attacking the unwanted green carpet.
With the moss, because right now it's, kind of carpeted up there, it's got quite a bit. What we'll start with, we'll get onto the roof, and we'll have a pole with a soft brush head, like a broom head. We'll go ahead and we'll start to brush the moss. Only the moss that will come off easily. We don't want to brush hard enough that it'll start damaging shingles and taking off the granules. Once we do that, we'll try to tarp down so that we can catch all of that debris. It'll take about 90% or so of that moss completely off.
Johnny Tsunami filled up a couple of tarps with the moss. It seemed like an endless job, something the homeowner did not want to tackle.
Can you believe the moss back here? How did it get so bad?
Because we have a huge tree on the backyard.
Yeah.
It's even this tree, every year we'll need to clean the roof, but a few years we'll not clean this roof.
And for Vladimir, getting up on the roof is not his cup of tea.
I don't want to go to the roof, it's dangerous,
You don't want to have to go buy ropes, you don't want to have to go buy a harness, and you let the pros do it like Johnny Tsunami.
It's the best.
Leaving moss on your roof is not only unsightly, the damage can go deep.
So moss, just like humans, we're 80% water. That's what moss is as well. It is just physical water sitting up on there, so it will slowly start to grow under the shingles, which will lift them and curl them, which lets moss, water, debris, even animals start to try to tunnel through the shingles themselves to the felt paper, and it's going to start damaging the integrity of the roof.
Once most of the heavy moss was removed, the boys in blue were just getting started.
We are prepping this roof for a spray so we can kill all this moss that's up here. So we're giving it a light brush for an aesthetic look, and then we're going to spray it with a solution that kills the moss. And then it will naturally weather off with the wind and the rain. All the moss will come off and it'll look great.
It didn't take long to coat the roof with their environmentally friendly solution. It was looking cleaner by the minute.
You see roofs, your neighbors right around you, and they have these beautiful looking roofs. We'll make sure that by the time you look at this, you go inside, you eat breakfast or dinner, you come back out, and it looks gorgeous for you.
Vladimir, I have to show you the roof. Look, the moss is gone. Look how pretty this is.
Oh man, it's my roof look like a new one. I love the Johnny Tsunami. It's my roof for another 5 years, I think so.
At least another 5, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta love Johnny, right?
Yes.
Johnny Tsunami.
Right now for Seattle Refined viewers, Johnny Tsunami is offering $75 off any exterior cleaning service, and you can save more when you bundle. Call the number there on your screen, 206-899-0003 to learn more.